Hi everybody, I'm JT and welcome to another video from me here at Campervan Journey. So in today's video, Harry and I have taken a trip down to get the van serviced, have its first service carried out, and a couple of little niggles looked at under warranty. We've battled through Storm Christoph, which is battering parts of the south of England at the moment. It's a horrible day, and we're also, due to COVID restrictions, not able to spend time at the dealership whilst the work is carried out. So we're booked in for first service, and there's three other little items that we've asked them to have a look at. One is a sliding door which isn't catching properly anymore. The warning lights that came on the dashboard 2 or 3 times, and you'll see I did a video. If you want to watch that, there's a link to that video here, just about an erroneous warning message that doesn't seem to be linked to anything, but has showed us the coil light on the dashboard and potentially put the van into limp mode. And finally, the rear folding bench is very stiff and difficult to actually fold down into the sleeping position. So all of those 3 things, along with the service, are items that we hope to get checked out today. So we're just going to go and check the van in with the dealership, pick up our courtesy vehicle, and I'll report back later on as to how the work got on. So the sliding door catch that we need to have a look at is just down here, which doesn't catch when you push back, so without releasing the handle. So hopefully the technicians can sort that. Not able to easily fold the rear bench seat down and slide it to put the bed position on. And then the warning lights, which we said before, is on the dash. In addition to that, just the standard regular service. When we bought the van, came with 2 free services as part of the package, so hopefully there'll be no additional costs over and above that. And with a bit of luck, they'll give the van a wash as well, because it's absolutely filthy. So the van's all back from the dealership now, having been in for its service, the sliding door catch problem and the folding rear bench, rear seat problem. So let's just check it all over and see if all those faults have been sorted. Service all went through all okay, no advisories whatsoever, which is great news. And they managed to deal with the problem with the adaptive cruise control and the coil light warning message that we kept seeing on the dashboard. And believe it or not, that was all to do with an oil pressure warning sensor. Not quite sure how they talk to each other and how they interfere with the cruise control, but that's been again sorted and repaired under warranty, so thumbs up for that one. So the first problem was the sticking catch. Release the door and just push it very gently, and before it wouldn't lock in at all down at the bottom. And there we go. All done. The sliding door catch, I think it's all done. That all works perfectly. So I've lubricated it, realigned it, and it's operating exactly as it should do. Job number 1 ticked off. And the rear bench, let's check the operation of that. So remove the catch just under the seat, push, and there we go. So great news, all working exactly as it should do. And we'll be able to get back to using that for our trips away in the summer. Apparently what had happened is the mechanism underneath is quite complex, with various cables and levers, and one of the levers had become detached and therefore it wasn't releasing properly, so it's all been covered under warranty. So thanks very much indeed for taking the time to watch today's video. Remember, if you enjoy the videos I put together about our experiences of owning a Volkswagen California and all the trips and adventures we've had, remember to click the buttons to like and subscribe, and to click the bell button to receive notifications of when I upload new videos. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video very soon.